So the biggest thing you ought to be worried about is your sprinklers. Make sure those are turned off. Make sure you don't have them on auto still. If you don't know how to do it, go to your garage. You got the little panel inside of there. Turn it to off so you're not spraying water all over your sidewalks, which will freeze up. Now you got a liability on your hand, whether it's a neighbor, the mailman, whoever, and their mom. You don't want them slipping and falling on your property, nor your kids, yourself, your wife, your husband, whoever it might be. Next thing is your hose bibs on the outside of the house. A little thing you put the water faucet on, you turn it on and off, make your water come out. Make sure you get a rag, make sure it's dry, wrap it around there. Go get Home Depot, Lowe's, any of the hardware stores. You can go get an actual insulated cover, put that over there. Some of y'all actually have old school stuff. Usually it's over in like Garland, Mesquite, Dallas. You actually have the water line that comes out of the ground. They have different style insulation for those. Make sure those are properly insulated so you do not get a freeze or a burst on your pipes. Next thing, you're going to be doing your heater. Some of y'all probably been saving some cash, enjoying these nice 30, 40, 50 degree days, but it is going to be getting hot or getting cold, so of course you're going to turn on the hot air. That being said, you got a lot of dust built up on those coils, dirty air filters, because guess what? Summertime, wintertime, you still need to change your air filter every single month. Make sure you put a new fresh air filter in there. But you're going to have dust on those coils because you haven't ran the heat or the AC for a little while. Make sure you put a fresh air filter in there. If you need an AC service, give us a shout. One of us can get out there, take a look at everything, make sure you got a fresh filter, everything else is good. Other than that, just be paying attention to your house. A lot of things happen in the hot and the cold. A lot of y'all are complacent, no offense, but you don't pay attention to your actual home, which protects you and your family. So if you do happen to get a flood, something like that, make sure you give us a call over here at Warrior Wolf, or make sure you call your friends, your family, and get a referral of some kind of contractor. Do not just call your insurance company right away. I want you to reach out to a friend or a family and get a hold of one of their contractors they've used before you call insurance. If you were to have a pipe burst, something like that, we can get you in touch with plumbers that we use every single day, and they can also help assist you with that, and we'll see if we need to make an insurance claim. If it's less than deductible, don't even worry about calling them, and we can kind of help you say, hey, yes or no, or just do a proper repair. Other than that, feel free to reach out to us. We got a lot of things coming up, especially with this cold